You already know Protected Flow Manufacturing, or PFM, helps you improve on-time delivery and increase flow through your production floor. Now you have another reason to check out PFM. You manufacture products for your customers. Each finished product is unique, that's what sets you apart. But you also have sub-assembly parts that you manufacture. These parts go into each of your finished products. You have sub-assemblies that are made to stock as well, and specifically for each finished product. You know you have to begin working on those sub-assemblies before the top-level product. No problem, right? But what happens when your customers call and expedite their orders? The date change on the top level affects all the work orders making the sub-assemblies, right? And now, it gets multiplied by each customer changing their dates. Everything was in order yesterday. Now, you have hours ahead of you to realign your work order requirement dates and material requirement dates. Phew! Protected Flow Manufacturing gives you the capability to keep your sub-assembly work orders in alignment with top-level demand orders. All you have to do is set it and forget it. In PFM, we call this elastic work order dates, and it operates in the background to keep all of your supplying work orders in line with top-level demand. As your customers change their want dates, PFM recognizes the change and automatically realigns the supplying work order dates to match up. No more spending countless hours calculating new dates and modifying each and every job in your shop. Are you ready to learn more about PFM and work order alignment? Go to our website and request more information, or click on Request a Demo.